friends, Sarah here with Boho Stitchery, and it is Monday, so it's time for Make and Knit Monday. So if you want to learn how to knit, grab some needles and some yarn and join me for Making It Monday. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a brand new, really cool, nifty knit stitch to share with you all. It's very beginner friendly. It is a beginner lace stitch pattern. Super simple. I didn't type it up or put it on my monitor like I normally do just because I don't think you guys are going to need it. It's so quick and easy. But I can put a detailed description in the description box below if you guys need written instructions. So here's a little swatch I started. This is some Nako, I guess is how you say it. Nako Vals yarn. I've bought it quite a few years ago during the peak of COVID. They had it on sale at Joann, so I bought like a whole bunch of them for 99 cents, I think. So I'm just now starting to get through them all, but it's kind of a pretty cream or a beige color. Kind of blends in with my counter, sorry. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started. So for this, I'm using just some double pointed needles. I think this would make a really pretty scarf or a wrap, especially like in the summertime when it's warm, if you're going out of an evening and you just want something light to put on your shoulders. With a dress or a tank top, that'd look pretty, but you just need to cast on an even number of stitches, so any even number will work for this pattern. So I've already done probably quite a few rows of this. It works up really quick because it's so lacy. Now for this, I do recommend that you like I said, you'll cast on an even number of stitches, but I like to take the first two and the last two and just knit them because it kind of keeps the edge a little straighter, but you don't have to do that. That's completely optional. So for me, for this demonstration, I'm going to knit the first two stitches. And I forgot to mention, to do this, you just need to know how to knit and do yarn overs, and that's it. And knit two togethers, which are just knit stitches, but so I started by knitting the first two stitches, just regular knit. Then I'm going to yarn over, so counterclockwise around your right needle. And now I'm going to knit these next two stitches together, just like they were one. So I'll go into the front of this one, put it through both, and knit it. And that's how you do your pattern. You're going to repeat it from there. So you're going to yarn over, knit two together. Yarn over, knit two together. Yarn over, knit two together. And I would recommend, if you're doing something like a wrap or a shawl, to use thinner yarn. I mean, you could do it in a thicker or a chunkier yarn, but I would definitely use needles that are about 3 to 5 sizes bigger than what the yarn calls for. These are actually probably even a little too tight. So yarn over, knit two together. And you're going to keep you should keep your same stitch count. So I cast it on, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. So I should still have 16 at the end of my next row because your yarn overs are making up for that extra stitch that you're taking away when you're knitting two together. So yarn over, knit two together. And now I'm down to my last two stitches. So for me, I'm just going to knit these just like normal. Like I said, if you don't want to have those extra stitches on the edge and you want to just repeat your pattern, then you'll just start with yarn over, knit two together, yarn over, knit two together, and so on. But I think that's a really pretty pattern. It's kind of, like I said, real lightweight, real meshy almost. I'll go ahead and do one more row with you guys real quick here so you guys have it down. So I'm going to start with knit two, and now I'm going to begin my repeat. Yarn over, knit two together. Yarn over, knit two together. Like I said, so easy, such a simple pattern. And I was thinking after I started this, you could even, if you're going to keep the selvage or the edges over here, the two knit stitches, you could even start out with like, I don't know, a couple rows of just plain garter stitch too, and that would help keep the bottom straight. But I didn't do that for this demonstration. So where was I at? I got lost track here. So I knitted 2 together. So I need to yarn over, knit 2 together. I can't talk and think at the same time. Yarn over, knit 2 together, and I've got my 2 edge stitches, so I'm just going to knit those. And that's it, guys. Very quick, very simple. Like I said, if you're using a thinner yarn and great big huge needles, this would work up really fast. You could probably get, you know, a quick little wrap or something, or a small scarf or something done in just a couple of hours. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and also follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. I can be found under boho_stitchery. Thanks. We'll see you guys next time.